And here we are at Manuel Station. Just a look in the Caledonian carriages.
Banker as well.
And here's locomotive number 828, built at the Caledonian Works at St Rollocks in 1899.
No, I've been on it. You've been doing all the work? Been on it.
Yep, this locomotive is more than 100 years old. And she's certainly some locomotive. And number 419. Built at St Rollocks in 1907 and used to pull suburban trains out of Glasgow Central. Oh, okay, try not being you. Modern day Scottish train, but they do their job well, but they're not as exciting as this. Yeah, the good old Caledonian Railway Company. And of course the direction indicators.
It's like mod. Aye.
Excuse it. Yep, the old and the new of Scotland's railways. But this train on the left here is much better. Well, might not go as fast, might not be as efficient, but it's a lot more exciting. Oh yep, double-headed Caledonian train and Caledonian carriages. Yeah, interesting. Now, I wonder, why is the station named after the way to Faulty Towers? That's very interesting.